Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Zanomas video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import your Zano, seed phrase, and wallet into the Bitcoin.com wallet app. So first of all, you're obviously going to need the Zano app, and I have one Zano on the app right here. So now what you need to do is go to top right. You'll see a little information circle icon there. And then what you need to do is click seed phrase and then enter the password or create the password to secure the seed phrase. And it will give you the 24 letter seed phrase. Then head on over back to the Bitcoin.com wallet app, hit wallets, and then scroll down to the bottom, you'll see add/import wallet. Click that. At the bottom, click import wallet. Change the asset type to Zano and simply enter the recovery phrase, seed phrase there. And then that's it. All you need to do is then click import Zano wallet and it will go ahead and import the existing Zano wallet into your app. Thank you guys for watching. And if this video has helped you, please do leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.